Hello everyone, my name is Messi Chelsea Arias and today we are gonna cook Pinakbet. This is famous in Cagayan Valley and Ilocos and the whole country. Now let's start!
The ingredients are pork meat, bagoong or salted fish, salt, umami, optional, sweet potato or kamote, eggplants, ampalaya or bitter gourd, finger chili, okra, and water.
Now let's saute the pork meat. Now we put sweet potato or the kamote. Now we put salted fish or bagoong.